Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at a company that is very similar to SoFi in its platform, but is based in Africa, specifically Nigeria, and is much smaller in size. I think this company could see itself growing massively in the next years, and something that would align well with the trends we are seeing. Also, just briefly, if you're new to the channel, as you can see from the name, Investing in Africa, this channel is focused on talking all about investing in companies in Africa, like Jumia, which we talk a lot about here, and other emerging companies, which we should see many IPOs in the next years. So consider subscribing to the channel if that interests you, and hitting the thumbs up, which helps support the channel as well. So you might be saying, why the heck do I want to know about OneFi if they aren't public right now? And the answer is that there are many fintech startups in Africa right now that are growing rapidly and aren't publicly traded yet, but will soon be. And so learning about these companies before they go public will let you have prior knowledge on them, so you will know about them when they in fact go public and can catch them early. And the goal is to look at many of these companies on this channel before they go public, and we will hopefully watch them on their journey to their IPO. And Africa's growth is just starting to emerge, and this is something I definitely want to help you capitalize on. So OneFi, short for One Finance, first of all, at their roots, at its core, is a lending company, but they've extended their lending process through their Carbon app, which serves as a medium for the company's online bank platform, much like what SoFi has. Their app and technically subsidiary company is literally called Carbon, and this is actually a rebranding of their previous original company, which was called Pay Later. So sorry to be confusing, but to zoom out, in 2012 we have a company called One Credit, which was founded and provided loans to salary earners only. And then in 2015, OneFi itself was launched to broaden its loaning services. Then they really got things going in 2016 with a subsidiary company called Pay Later, which operated under OneFi, and that company and app focused on offering instant loans to people in Nigeria. Pay Later did well, but was one-dimensional, so founders Chijioke and Ngozi Dozie, who are in fact brothers, decided to rebrand and launch Carbon in April of 2019, offering a comprehensive online banking platform, clearly with higher goals in mind than just loans. So at the top we have OneFi, and then under that name we now have Carbon, which is the subsidiary and the operating brand of OneFi, and that is the name of the app that their platform exists on. And following this launch, OneFi also purchased a company called Amplify, which offers payment solutions. Amplify is responsible for online payments and digital transactions, so it was the perfect fit for a company trying to develop a digital banking platform and to integrate Amplify into that. So with that said, let's take a look at this Carbon app and see what they've got. Carbon is headquartered in Lagos, Nigeria, with over 90 employees and operates in Nigeria, Kenya, and Ghana. I touched on the founders earlier, but both guys, who are brothers, have very impressive backgrounds. Chijioke Dozie has an MBS from Harvard and has a background working in finance, and his brother, Ngozi Dozie, has an MBA from Wharton, another incredible school, and was an investment banker at JP Morgan. Both of these guys are smart and entrepreneurs with resumes I would definitely support. So this app is pretty comprehensive, offering quite a bit of services like paying bills, transferring money, getting loans, sending money, credit monitoring, debit cards, and getting 2% interest on your money saved. They've already got over 2 million customers and some pretty darn good reviews, as you can see here. And Carbon has done well. They're growing quickly. In 2020, they processed around $241 million, up 89% year over year. And they launched an iOS version this past year, which helped those numbers out quite a bit. In 2019, they did around $17.5 million in revenue, up 68% year over year. Now, 2020 numbers aren't out yet, and they haven't been released, but these will be very interesting to see, for me at least, because I'm very curious how COVID impacted their business, and I expect we may see a boost in those numbers due to the shift to more online type activities, but we will see. But again, OneFi is not a public company right now. It's just not quite big enough at this point to deserve that public status, but if it continues to grow, I would fully expect this company to IPO eventually. Fintech companies in Africa right now are growing powerfully, and there are some big companies right now that we should see IPO in the short term, Flutterwave and InterSwitch being the most prominent. And if these companies have strong IPOs, I would anticipate more African startups to seek IPOs as a result. So hopefully this trend will emerge in the next few years as African economies continue to grow. With that said, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more of investing in Africa type content, then definitely hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you next time.